In this one, we are finding the value of Fisher's price index numbers. So, Fisher price index, we are finding the value. So, you can see here, for first of all, for Fisher's price index, we have a formula. So, Fisher price index equal to under root last pair index into past day index, right? So we need to find the values of past day for past day and uh, Laplace, sorry, last pair. So for for first we are finding the for last pair and we will find the for past day. For last pair we have a formula for P1 Q0 upon P0 Q0, which is that the P1 Q0 is given in this question. P1 Q0 is 1084. So we will write here into 100 is also, and P0 Q0 is, which is 782. After divide, we will get a value which is 135 1.352, and after multiplying by 100 we will get final value which is 135.2. This is the last pair, and now we will find the value of past day. For past day is P1 P0 Q1 and Q1, right? In this one the base are for base index, and this is the current price index, current quantity index, and this one P1 Q1 is 1329 1 sorry um 1329 upon P0 Q1. Where is P0 Q1? Which is 1008. After calculating this values, okay, values are 1329 divided by 1008, which is 1.318. Now we will multiply by 400. So our final value is 131, not 138, 131.8. So this is the value for past day. Now we will find the for Fishers. So PL into PF. So the values are PL into PF. It means that 135.2 into 131.8. So we will multiply these values 135.2 and 131.8, and we will find under root. So multiply is 17,800.36, and final will get the value which is 17819.36. So after calculating these values is 133.48. So this is the value for Fisher's index. Now after that, which is approximately is nearer to this value, so our answer will be 135. Now what is the approximate value of the Fisher index P10? So in this one, again, because this value was for P01, right? Now we want to find the P10. This is basically, this is the reciprocal of the P01. So we will reciprocal of this value. So 1 divided by 135, and which will be 0.0074, and after calculating this, so we will get a 74 in this one because 74 is given, so answer is 74. Thank you so much.